Dictionary YT at Dictionary it. In general, snore refers to the sound produced during sleep when the flow of air through the passages at the back of the mouth and nose is partially obstructed. This obstruction causes vibrations in the tissues, resulting in the characteristic noise associated with snoring. Snoring is a common occurrence for many people and can vary in intensity from quiet, occasional snorts to loud, persistent sounds. While occasional snoring is often benign, chronic or loud snoring may be indicative of underlying health issues such as sleep apnea or nasal congestion. Overall, snoring is a natural phenomenon that occurs during sleep due to partial obstruction of the airways, resulting in audible vibrations.